Hello and welcome to Top Real Facts. This video is about the Mariana Trench, the deepest part of the ocean and one of the most mysterious and fascinating places on Earth. In this video, we'll be exploring the science, history, and wonders of this amazing place. The science of the Mariana Trench. The Mariana Trench is located in the western Pacific Ocean and is approximately 2,550 kilometers long and 69 kilometers wide. It reaches a maximum depth of over 11,000 meters, making it the deepest part of the ocean. The trench is formed by the collision of two tectonic plates, the Pacific Plate and the Philippine Plate. The pressure at the bottom of the Mariana Trench is immense, with over 1,000 times the atmospheric pressure at sea level. This makes it a difficult environment for organisms to survive in, and only a few species have been found in the trench, including a type of amphipod crustacean and some species of bacteria. Scientists have been studying the Mariana Trench for many years, using a variety of technologies including submersibles, remotely operated vehicles, and sonar. These studies have revealed a wealth of information about the geology, oceanography, and biology of the trench. Geology of the Mariana Trench. The Mariana Trench is the result of the subduction of the Pacific Plate beneath the Philippine Plate. The subduction zone is a convergent plate boundary where the two plates collide and one plate is forced beneath the other. The Pacific Plate is denser than the Philippine Plate, so it sinks beneath it, creating a deep ocean trench. The Mariana Trench is not a simple, straight trench but is instead a complex system of ridges, valleys, and trenches. The trench is divided into four major regions: the Mariana Forearc, the Mariana Trench Axis, the Mariana Backarc, and the Mariana Arc. The Mariana Forearc is the shallowest region of the trench, and it is located closest to the Mariana Islands. It is characterized by seamounts, ridges, and troughs that are created by the subduction of the Pacific Plate. The Mariana Trench Axis is the central region of the trench and is the deepest part of the ocean. The trench reaches a maximum depth of over 11,000 meters in this region. The Mariana Trench Axis is characterized by deep-sea trenches, volcanic islands, and seamounts. The Mariana Backarc is located on the western side of the trench and is characterized by volcanic islands, seamounts, and submarine volcanoes. The Mariana Backarc is also the site of hydrothermal vents, where hot, mineral-rich water is released from the seafloor. The Mariana Arc is located on the eastern side of the trench and is characterized by volcanic islands and seamounts. The Mariana Arc is an active volcanic arc, and it is the site of many active and inactive volcanoes. Oceanography of the Mariana Trench. The oceanography of the Mariana Trench is affected by the deep ocean currents that circulate around the world. The water in the trench is very cold, with temperatures ranging from 1 to 4 degrees Celsius. The water is also very salty, with salinity levels that are higher than the surrounding ocean. The Mariana Trench is also affected by upwelling, which is the movement of deep ocean water to the surface. Upwelling occurs in the Mariana Trench because of the circulation patterns of the ocean. The upwelling of water brings nutrients to the surface, which supports the growth of phytoplankton and other organisms. Biology of the Mariana Trench. The Mariana Trench is one of the most extreme environments on Earth, with high pressures, low temperatures, and low food availability. Despite these challenges, a number of unique and specialized organisms have been found in the trench. One of the most well-known organisms in the Mariana Trench is the Mariana snailfish. This fish was first discovered in the trench in 2014 and has since been found in other deep-sea trenches around the world. The Mariana snailfish is able to survive in the high-pressure, low-oxygen environment of the trench by having a high number of red blood cells and a large heart. Other organisms found in the Mariana Trench include amphipod crustaceans, which are small shrimp-like creatures that live on the seafloor. These creatures have adapted to the low oxygen environment of the trench by having larger gills and a higher number of mitochondria, which are the organelles that produce energy in cells. The Mariana Trench is also home to a number of bacterial communities, which are important for nutrient cycling and energy production in the deep-sea environment. These bacteria are able to use a process called chemosynthesis to produce energy, which allows them to survive in the nutrient-poor environment of the trench. Despite the limited number of species found in the Mariana Trench, the organisms that do live there are adapted to some of the most extreme conditions on Earth. These adaptations provide valuable insights into the limits of life on our planet and the potential for life in other extreme environments, such as other planets or moons in our solar system. The history of the Mariana Trench. The Mariana Trench has a long and fascinating history, stretching back millions of years. The geology of the trench provides important clues about the evolution of our planet and the processes that have shaped it. Formation of the Mariana Trench. The Mariana Trench was formed by the collision of two tectonic plates, the Pacific Plate and the Philippine Plate. This collision began about 50 million years ago, and it continues to this day. The subduction of the Pacific Plate beneath the Philippine Plate created the Mariana Trench. As the Pacific Plate sinks into the mantle, it melts and forms magma, which rises to the surface and creates volcanic islands, seamounts, and other features. Over millions of years, the volcanic activity and subduction processes have created the complex system of ridges, valleys, and trenches that make up the Mariana Trench. Exploration of the Mariana Trench. The Mariana Trench was first explored in 1875 by the HMS Challenger, a British research vessel. The Challenger used sounding lines to measure the depth of the trench, which was found to be over 8,000 meters. Since the Challenger's expedition, the Mariana Trench has been explored by a number of submersibles and remotely operated vehicles. In 1960, the Bathyscaphe Trieste, a deep-sea submersible, made the first manned dive to the bottom of the trench, reaching a depth of over 10,000 meters. Since then, other submersibles and remotely operated vehicles have explored the trench, providing important insights into the geology, oceanography, and biology of this unique environment. The future of the Mariana Trench. The Mariana Trench is a valuable scientific resource, providing insights into the history and evolution of our planet and the potential for life in extreme environments. However, the trench is also facing a number of threats, including pollution and climate change. Pollution from human activities, such as plastic waste and oil spills, can have devastating effects on the deep-sea environment Mariana Trench. In addition, climate change is leading to changes in ocean temperatures and chemistry, which can have major impacts on the organisms that live in the trench. To protect the Mariana Trench and other deep-sea environments, it is important to establish conservation measures and regulations to minimize the impact of human activities. This includes reducing plastic waste and regulating deep-sea mining activities, which can cause significant damage to the seafloor and the organisms that live there. The Mariana Trench also holds a great deal of potential for scientific research and exploration. Scientists are interested in studying the unique adaptations of the organisms that live in the trench, as well as the geological processes that shape this extreme environment. In addition, the Mariana Trench may hold important resources, such as rare metals and minerals, that could be used in a variety of applications. However, any exploration or exploitation of these resources must be done in a responsible and sustainable manner, taking into account the potential impacts on the environment and the organisms that live there. The Mariana Trench is a fascinating and unique environment that provides important insights into the history and evolution of our planet. It is also an extreme and challenging environment, home to a number of specialized and adapted organisms. Protecting the Mariana Trench and other deep-sea environments is essential for preserving these valuable resources and the organisms that depend on them. At the same time, the Mariana Trench holds great potential for scientific research and exploration, and responsible and sustainable use of these resources could benefit society in a number of ways. By continuing to study and explore the Mariana Trench, we can gain a greater understanding of our planet and the potential for life in extreme environments. At the same time, we must work to minimize the impact of human activities on this unique and fragile environment, so that future generations can continue to benefit from the knowledge and resources it provides. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel.